Used to like bitches with hair perm, now I like it natural, actual, factual.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, this is my hair, and I've been using these two products that I've tried in my last video. If you haven't checked it out, I will link it above. And yeah, you know, my little spray bottle with aloe vera juice. Okay, you know how it goes. And my hair section, so I already started with the back half just to make this video not as long as, you know, it can be. So I'm gonna just start with this one section in the front so you guys can see. This is my winter wash and go, pretty much without the wash. Okay, so I'm dampening and re-dampening my hair with my aloe vera juice with a little bit of water, not too much in there. And just going ahead to park it to kind of section off so we can work in small little sections. I don't want to work in big sections, just so it's easier to manage. So yeah, and then once I pin that up, if it is still not damp enough for me, I will spray a little bit more. I just don't spray that is like extremely wet, but just spray it enough so that it's a little saturated so that I can detangle it and apply my product without having to saturate my whole head in water. Okay, so this is just supposed to be a quick little solution if you don't want to wash your hair and you know it's still semi-clean. This is just the easiest way to get a wash and go for the winter, because I'm telling you, it's cold outside and I do not want to wash my hair and go outside. And waiting for it to dry all day is going to be a process, okay? So I did apply my curling cream. I'm telling you, this softee curling cream is the shiznit, okay? I will put the information below if you want to purchase it or take a look at it, but I'm telling you, it's good, okay? Then I'm using my Tangle Teaser, which is, this is the first time I'm actually using my Tangle Teaser with this hairstyle, or I don't know if it's a hairstyle or whatever. This is the first time I'm using it. I really love it. And then I actually go over it with my denim brush so it can clump the curls together. And then I'm going to apply my Extreme Wetline, another baby of mine, because this right here is life, okay? It is life. So I just apply it and make sure I apply it to the roots and make my way down. Y'all know, do not be forgetting your roots when you apply the gel, because that's where you going, okay? Your roots are going to be puffy. That's not cute. So make sure you apply your gel to the roots and make your way down. This is how my hair looks. It's very clumped, but sometimes you can want to go ahead and shingle it a little bit where it clumps at, and that's what I'm doing. I don't do it all the time. I only do it sometimes to enhance my curls a little bit, or to make them clump up a little bit better. But this is how it looks. I might pull it apart to make them smaller and apply more gel to make it more defined if I miss certain areas. But yeah, guys, this is how it looks. Like, look at those curls. Okay, and I did not even re-wash my hair. All right, so I'm gonna speed through it a little bit more so that you guys can see how I do this whole process. I will come back in and towards the end so that you guys, I can explain a little bit more to you on what I do. So keep watching. that I have finished my wash and go. I'm just making sure I shingle a couple pieces so that it is really defined. As you guys can tell, my hair, it has different curl patterns. I try to crunch the longer pieces so that it can blend in really good. But it's a process when you have two different textures in your hair. But I go ahead and use my style booster to slick my edges down. As you can tell, one side is more dry than the other side. That's why I kind of like this no shampoo type process, because it dries my hair a little bit faster. If you can tell the difference on both sides, one is more defined, not defined, but shrinking a little bit faster than the other side. So yeah, if you are into getting a quick process, okay, of a wash and go going, girl, yeah, try this, okay? Try this routine, because it's gonna work. But yeah, my hair is popping, okay? I didn't spend all day in the house waiting for it to dry. And guys, kisses from me to you. Don't forget to subscribe below. Love you guys.